Hello dear student, we are in the class 6 chapter number 3 part 3 playing with numbers. So here we will see the introduction of prime and composite number. So in prime and composite number we will see some points. We are now familiar with the factor of number. Observe the number of factor of few numbers arranged in this table. So this is the table and you observe carefully. So here some numbers have been given and here the factors are there that you already learn. If you take the example of 4, so each number having the factor 1, then 2 and the number itself. But you observe some number like 1. 1 factor is 1 only, 2 factor is 1 and 2, 3 factor you observe it is 1 and 3, 4 factor 1 to 4. Now you observe 5 only 2 factor. Now you observe 7 only 2 factor, the 1 and the number itself. You observe one more number 11 having 1 and 11 factors. So in this list some special numbers are there. They have only 2 factor. These numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7 and one more number is there 11. So they have only 2 factor, 1 and the number itself. So these number they have the special meaning and they are the prime number. The other number you observe they have the 3 factor or more than 3, but the 1 is having only 1 factor. So this 1 is also belonging to the special case, that is it is not a prime, it is not a composite number. And you observe some number they have the 3 factor, 4 factor, so they are the composite number. We will see this concept in detail. So the number 1 has only 1 factor, so it is not a prime, it is not a composite. There are a number having only 2 factor, 1 and number itself. So these numbers are the prime number like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. There are the number having more than 2 factor like 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and so on. So these are the composite number. Without actually making the factor of number, we can find prime number from 1 to 10, 1 to 100 in easier method. So suppose here we have the number up to 100. So you want to calculate which number is prime or which number is composite, then this procedure is useful. Step 1, cross the 1 because 1 is not a prime number and not composite also. Then you have to circle 2, cross out all the number multiples of 2. You have to cross number 2 because 2 is a prime number, and you have to make a cross the other number which are multiple of 2 like 4 is a multiple of 2, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So these all the even number, these are the multiple of 2, so you have to just cross that. Then step 3, circle 3 and cross all the multiple of 3. Circle 3 because 3 is a prime number. Then whichever the number coming in the multiplication table of 3 you have to cross that like 6, 9, then 12 is already crossed, then 15 like that. Next step, circle 5 because 5 is a prime number. Then whichever the number is coming in the multiplication table of 5 you have to cross like 10, 15, 20, 25 like that. Then continue this process till all the number are in the list are either circle or cross. Okay, so whatever the number in the circle at the last step, these are the prime number like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. So around 25 numbers are prime number up to 100. So this is also the one more method for calculating prime, or you can say calculating composite also. Even and odd number. Do you observe the pattern here like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, you will find that they are the multiple of 2 and these are the even number. The other number like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, these are the odd. So if the number is a multiple of 2, these are the even like 2, 4, 6, so on. If the numbers are like 1, 3, 5, you cannot divide by 2, these are the odd number. So in the next point, the number with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at the ones place is the even number like 10 is there, 12 is there, 14 is there, 20 is there. So if in the one place such number is there, that is what even number. 2 is the smallest prime number which is even. Keep in mind 2 is the smallest prime number and which is even also. Every prime number except 2 is odd because the other numbers they are the odd. In the prime number, if you consider 3, 5, 7, 11, these are the prime but they are the odd, but 2 is even number but even though it is prime. Hope friend you understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching this. Thank you, and after that we will see the exercise which is based on this presentation. Thank you.